Good evening, everybody. Tonight we're looking at the Galaxy DX-919. This is for Brad in Pennsylvania. This is a tune-up report with an RFX-75 on the back. Let's take a look at what we got here, Brad. 10, 20, 30 watts. Power's all the way up. We're looking at 15 watt dead key. I'm going to change this scale to 10 watts now. So we're looking at the top 4 and 6 right there. And I'm going to turn the power on the radio all the way down. We set it for 4. Audio. Put the power back up. Take a look at this slug. 100 watts. And looking at the bottom now. 60, 80, and right in between is 70. That's right where we're going to be there. Right in between.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check.
Oh, let's check it out.
Channel 24, can I get a radio check, please, Kaboo? Did I say 24 again? Alright, 34. This is Screwdriver again on a DX-919, a 636 microphone, an RFX-75, audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm back out, thank you. I want to do a quick comparison between that 636 and this RK56. Roger. Check, 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 check. I'm back out. I'm out of Channel 24. Can I get a radio check, please, Kaboo? Did I say 24 again? Alright, 34. This is Screwdriver again on a DX-919, a 636 microphone, an RFX-75, audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm back out, thank you.
We've got other people on the frequency now, so we'll catch you in the morning. Andromeda Base is clear with the Lone Ranger. Away!
I want to do a quick comparison between that 636 and this RK56. Roger. Check, 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 check. Back out.